Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Lila Ike is currently on a European tour. It's a sound system tour. The tour started on Thursday and ends December 4. Lila is scheduled to make stops in Belgium, France, Switzerland, Denmark, Italy, Germany and Spain. She will then jet off to Dubai for the Jamaican-inspired festival, which will run from December 5 to 7. She will share the stage with Indignation labelmate Savannah and Reggae Grammy-nominated artist Coffee. Reggae artist Ziggy Marley and his family were recently featured in California-based footwear brand Uggs' newest holiday advertising campaign. Ziggy, along with his wife and 7 children, recently conducted a photo shoot and a video for Uggs' Christmas advertising campaign, which is set to the background of Ziggy Marley's song Love Is My Religion, the title track from his 2006 album of the same name. Ziggy is the oldest son of reggae icon Bob Marley and is Jamaica's most acclaimed Grammy Award winner, having copped 8 wins from 50 nominations over the years. Now onto the international scene, where rapper Nicki Minaj will be honored at Billboard's 14th annual Women in Music event. The rapper will be the recipient of the Game Changer Award for her impact on the music industry. Nicki Minaj has been named the first rapper to blend hip-hop and pop while headlining major arenas, and is credited for influencing today's generation of female rappers. She is also the first woman to appear on the Billboard Hot 100 charts 100 times over the course of her 4 studio album career. The 14th annual Women in Music event will be held on December 12 in Los Angeles. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.